Hello South Africa. Ramokgopa, power cuts cost SA economy 1 billion rand a day. The Minister of Electricity, Kgosientsho Ramokgopa, says he is working day and night to eradicate the problem of power outages as many machines that were being repaired in Kusile will be restored. Today, the machine called Unit 4, which was shut down for 20 days for proper maintenance, returned. Ramokgopa said that Kusile will help South Africa to end the problem of power cuts. I don't like that the electricity is cut off according to the 6th rule because this costs 1 billion rand a day in the country's economy. That's why I work hard with engineers and other highly experienced teams to repair machines so that they don't die unexpectedly, said Ramokgopa. He said that they will ensure that the problem of sulfur dioxide, which pollutes the air and harms the environment, is solved in Kusile as they have asked for an extension of time to fix this by 15 months. He concluded that by the end of November, all equipment in Kusile including Unit 4, 3, 1, 2 and 5 will be operational. The return of these machines will bring in 4,000 megawatts of electricity. Ramokgopa said that this gas will help them a lot in ending the problem of power outages. Power utility Eskom has announced stages 2 and 4 load shedding for the week ahead as a result of lower demand. Due to further improvement in generation capacity, Stage 2 load shedding, previously communicated Stage 3 load shedding, will be implemented from 1600 hours today until 1600 hours on Monday. Thereafter, Stage 4 load shedding will be implemented from 1600 hours on Monday until 5 o'clock on Tuesday, followed by Stage 2 load shedding from 5 o'clock until 1600 hours. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.